This is a quick uh, tutorial on how to package your final project that you're working on and zip it so that you can upload it to the assignment. Okay, so I've opened up my InDesign and I go over to File and I click on Package. When I open Package, I go to Links and Images, and I see that there's no warning sign, no little orange triangle with an exclamation mark, which means that all my images are CMYK, which you can see right here, and they're all 300 by 300 pixels per inch. Okay, so we're ready to package it. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to make sure everything was CMYK and how to make sure that everything's 300 pixels per inch. Okay, so I'm ready to package. Everything is set up, so I click on Package. Okay, it's going to ask me where I want to save this package. So here is the name of the tutorial, and at the very end, it's going to add the word folder to it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it into my 105 folder. I'm going to put my packaging in there. So I'm going to say package. Then you get this warning here, which is fine. Just say OK. Okay, and then it's done. It's been packaged. So now I go over to my Finder, and in my Finder I go to my Documents where I've got my folder, and I go and look for it. So here is my folder. I called it How to Zip Tutorial, my name, and then the word folder at the end of it, so I know this is it. So I take and check it to make sure everything's in it. So I'll find, if I open it, that all the fonts that I use are in here. They have an IDML, which is an older version of InDesign. In case you don't have the most recent version, you can open it. Then it has the most recent version of InDesign, which is an INDD file. So this is the one that you can open with InDesign if you had to make any changes. The printer would use that for making changes at the printer's office. And then you have a PDF that it created of your project. Okay. Then it also has one more important one that's called your links. And in your links, you're going to have all of your images in it. Okay. So there's all the images that are going to be in my folder. Then I just close the folder so that I just see the folder that all that's in. I right-click on it. On a Mac, I hold my Control key down and click. On a PC, you just right-click. And then you go down to where it says Compress, and I click that. And it makes a zip file of the folder. So it makes the actual folder again, it names it the same thing, except now here's the whole name, How to Zip Tutorial, and it ends in .zip. Okay, so now I can go to my canvas. Okay, I can go to my final project. Okay, I'm going to look at it as if I was a student. Okay, I'm going to start my assignment. Okay, I'm going to go here to Upload File, choose the file, and I'm going to go to my folder where it's in, and here is the zip file that I want, and say I open it. Then I just submit the assignment. And there it is. So now I'm going to leave the student view so I can show you what happened. Okay, I go to my grader to look for my test account. There's a test student, and here is the zip file right there. So I would go and click that to open it, to review it, to see it, and then I would grade it.